What would happen if the sun exploded? Our beautiful star, right in the center of the solar system, unexpectedly explodes. What will happen to our life? Well, before we go ahead with that, without the sun, would life on Earth even exist? Well, life on Earth, as we know it, relies heavily on the sun. The sun provides the energy needed for the photosynthesis, which is crucial for the majority of Earth's ecosystems. Without the sun, Earth would lose its primary energy source and the conditions that are necessary for life, as we understand it, would not exist. Life on Earth is intricately connected to sun's energy, making it a fundamental factor in the existence of life on our planet. But let's just suppose, what will happen if the sun exploded? Well, if the sun were to explode, it would release an immense amount of energy, causing a catastrophic event. The explosion would likely destroy the entire solar system. And of course, it includes our beautiful planet Earth. If the sun were to explode in a supernova, the release of energy and the shock waves would likely have a profound impact on the entire solar system. The intense radiation and high energy particles emitted during a supernova can strip away planetary atmospheres, alter their orbits, and cause widespread destruction. The extreme conditions generated by a supernova event make it highly likely that the solar system, including Earth, would not survive such an explosive event. Fortunately for us, the sun is not massive enough to undergo a supernova. Well, for all your fans, it will not explode. It will follow a different stellar evolution path, transitioning into a red giant and then into a white dwarf. Well, why don't we think that this sun will explode? The sun won't explode because it is massive enough to undergo a supernova, like I said before. The type of explosion associated with massive stars. The sun is a G-type main sequence star, and it will eventually transition into a red giant before settling into a white dwarf. This process is expected to occur in a few billion years, but it won't result in a catastrophic explosion like a supernova. So thankfully, the sun is not expected to explode. Instead, it will eventually undergo a less dramatic transformation, that is, into a red giant in several billion years. Of course, we won't be alive till then to see this happening. And I know what you are asking. What is a red giant? And is the sun dangerous for Earth as a red giant? Well, the answer is yes. The sun is expected to become a red giant in its later stages of life, which is quite far from now, which means it will have significant implications for Earth. When the sun exhausts its core hydrogen fuel in, say, several billion years, it will expand into a red giant, increasing in size and luminosity. During this phase, the outer layers of the sun are predicted to extend beyond the current orbit of Earth. The increased solar radiation and the heat from the red giant sun could have several impacts on our planet, such as the Earth will experience high temperatures, plus there will be atmospheric changes due to the hydrogen outer layer, plus there will be possible engulfments. Some models suggest that the expanding sun might engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth during its red giant phase. But it's important to know that these changes are projected to occur in an extremely distant future, like billions of years, and we won't be alive to see them. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and of course hit the bell icon to be notified for such amazing videos like this. And yes, do give me a thumbs up, and if you have anything in your mind about the red giant, the sun, or the exploding sun, go ahead and comment. I will see you next time in the next video.